everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I'm on a roll. I'm here with another unboxing, and this is for Queenacraft. And do not forget that if you use my code Diane, you will save 10% on your order from them, and I would truly appreciate it. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I picked out some different things, and excited to kind of play with some different things and see what we can come up with. So let's see what we got. Okay, this is the first thing. Of course, with it being Halloween, I had to get some of these. And they have all kinds of sequins. All kinds. You've seen me use them. Let me see if I could. There we go. But this actually is a skull and bone sequence. So you will see me using these. I love these. You can use them for so many things. And this right here, with Christmas getting ready to come up also, I seen these cute little deer. Look at these beautiful bags, guys. And you can reuse these for anything to put little gifts in. But I thought these little deers would be perfect for Christmas. Look at that. On little 3x3 cards. Let me get my ruler. Let's see here. Let's see how this one is right at 1 1/4 inches wide and 2.5 inches. So this would be perfect for 3x3 little cards that you might want, or little tags or anything. Look at this, how sweet. This one is 1 5/8 inches wide, and this one actually is 2 3/8 inches tall. So these are the mini deer dies, and you get 2. We're gonna have some fun with these cute little babies. But I thought with Christmas coming up, I could use those. And this is a stamp set. And I wanna make sure I tell you exactly. It's called the Honeybee Flower Stamps. And look, it says, let me see, I wanna make sure. It says sweet as can be, B-E-E, and you got a little bee here and some flowers. And look at these beautiful little bees here, and it says honey, it says sweet honey. And then it looks like, I can't really, fresh and organic. Oh, it says eat fresh and organic, a beautiful little flower. And right here it says, like honey, I love tea time. And it says, I meow you. Look how cute that is. I love this. So this is the Honeybee Flower Stamps. And of course, since I had some flower and bee stamps, I had to have a bee die. So this is their bee die. Look how cute that little bee is. Is that not adorable? I'm so excited to cut that out. This little bee is 3 1/8 inches wide and 2 1/8 inches tall. Look how cute that is. So I've got some ideas to put these together, and I think that I have got, yeah, look, they have got these big dies now, like these background dies, and this one is, and I want to make sure, it's called a Beehive backdrop die. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that beautiful bag. But look at this. Look how beautiful and how big that is. This is right at 4 1/8 inches wide and 5 7/8 inches long. So that would be perfect for a card. And so see, this is what I had in mind to do something with these right here. And this just finishes it right off. So I'm super excited about that. And I seen this, and I'm telling you what, I thought it was the cutest little thing. It is an embossing folder. And I've started playing with my embossing folders a little bit more because when I first started crafting, I really used the embossing folders because that was just a big thing. And then, you know, you kind of get out of it. Well, then when I started using Queenacraft's embossing folders, I kind of got into playing with them again. So let's look. So see, look at these little hands. And this is called the Halloween handprint embossing folder. So we will have fun with this. Super excited. And these, look at this pumpkin die. I'm going to tell you, this will be perfect for fall. Let's get this beautiful little die out here. Work with me, hands. Sometimes having long nails, I think you kind of are not able to open bags. But look at this beautiful pumpkin die. Isn't that beautiful for a fall card or a tag? Just gorgeous. And this die is right at 4 inches wide. And it is going to be 4.5 inches tall. So look, it's as big as my hand. Is it not beautiful? So this one is the pumpkin die. I know you're probably thinking, I can't believe she's got dies that are not all Halloween. And I decided that I was going to keep trying to improve my card making. And I thought that these backdrop dies would help me with that. And this backdrop die is called the Heart Checkered Backdrop Die. Look how beautiful that is. So it's going to cut out all these little hearts. That is gorgeous and like in a diamond shape. And this is the same size as the other one. It's 5 7/8 by 4 1/8. So that would be pretty for Valentine's Day or any holiday really. And this one is called the Knitted Pattern Backdrop Die. And I want you to look how pretty that is. When I see this die, I think of like tree trunks. Like for a scene that has the tree trunks, that's what I see when I see that. So that would be really pretty. Hey. Hold the phone, Mabel. Could you imagine this being as a backdrop with these little deer in the... Yep. All right, stay tuned, guys. You can see my mind's going crazy already, but that's what I see. And you could use this for a whole lot of stuff. Cut it in half. Boy, I can't wait to get started on that. And these are some new items that they have. And I thought, you know what? I would kind of like to try these. These are called transparent material stickers. And they have all different kinds. As you can see on this one, this is like all hearts. Isn't those beautiful? But they're transparent stickers, so we will get these out and we will play with these together. And there is some like with some stars and moons around. Look at the iridescent. Isn't those beautiful? And when I seen the butterflies, I was like, yes, please. Are them not gorgeous? Put a beautiful sentiment in the middle. Is that not beautiful? So I am super excited. We will play with these together. And bless her heart, she always sends a little gift. And so let's see what she has sent. Thank you so much, Queenacraft. They have been so good to me. They always send a nice card that says after service and where you can contact them. Oh, look at this little fairy stamp. Is she not beautiful? Now, she would be pretty, like, stamped in the middle of that. We gonna have to play, guys. I love that. And, oh, look at this adorable little notebook. I write things down all the time. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Look at this die. How stinking cute is it? Let's see. Oh, that is adorable. It says boom and it says pow, like for superhero cards and stuff like that. I love that. That is so stinking cute. I love that. I'm always afraid if I don't put them back, I'll never put them in the back. And guys, I love these little corner stickers. You can put this on any of your pages. So they carry these. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at these stickers. Oh, wow. They're like holographic music notes. Let me see if I can show you. Oh my goodness, look how unicorns, old cats. Oh, look at those. Oh, I will have a blast with these. Oh my goodness, look. Oh my goodness, it's a new Halloween die. I'm so excited. It says trick or treat. I must have missed this one. Come on. Get out, little die. It's like you're going to... It's me. I'm telling you. My hands, some days they just don't want to work right. Come on. There we go. It was all me. Oh my gosh. Look at this trick or treat, guys. It says trick or treat, and it's got a witch's boot. It's got a spider web and a spider and a jack-o'-lantern. Is that not adorable? Oh, that would be perfect on a card or a tag. It's 4.5 inches wide by 4 or 3 5/8 inches tall. Oh my goodness, thank you, Queenacraft, so much. I am going to have fun. Oh, there's a bat here too, and a raven here on a branch. I was so excited I didn't even know what to say. So I would love to thank Queenacraft for everything. And like I said, I'm going to leave all the links to these fabulous, fabulous dies and products below. And please go check them out. And don't forget, I do have a code that's Diane that you can save 10%. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And may God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.